Hi, Martyn here from Bike Ventures. We're looking at the E-GO 3S, a very lightweight folding bike. So let's have a closer look. Lightweight folding bike with 16-inch wheels and crucially a belt drive, 3-speed hub at the back. The motor's in the front wheel, 250 motor. Gears controlled by this twister. You've got your digital display here showing you your power levels up and down like that. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Really nice, comfortable bike. I've just had a go on it and it really is very easy to ride. And if you need a lightweight folding electric bike for commuting or for putting in the back of your car and taking out to the countryside for a ride, this could be the perfect bike. And it's also got what is effectively a walk assist or a throttle, so it can power you. You see the wheel spinning there. I'm not pedaling, so I can control it on that, which is really nice, up to about 4 miles an hour, I think. Very nice.